We got the birds happening in the backyard. Yep, they're getting all they're kicking the leaves off the trees.
Yeah.
Make it a little closer. Oh goodness, yep.
Yeah, we do bugs.
Yep, definitely. They're all up in that tree right there.
They can fly they can fly very high.
Yeah, they can.
They can fly very high in the sky.
Wow. That's so neat. They're getting all those little berries.
Yeah.
And
do the
How neat.
So they fly away and they chase it.
Yep, they're chasing each other.
And ready to play dinosaurs.
They're playing dinosaurs? They might. Yes, soundtrack provided by Ruby Charlotte. I guess that's all of them. I don't see any more up there. Let's see.
Where are they at?
I don't know, Jonah. That's a really good question.
Oh!
You see some more? Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I think they're about done now. Wow. That was so neat. God bless you. That was a fake sneeze.
I do! I do!
Oh, she's being vicious.
I do!
Oh my goodness. Antics.
I do!
Yes, the Charlotte is being a dinosaur. All right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Ruby Charlotte. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I